Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie and today I have my very first thrift store haul that I am pretty excited to share with you right now. I finally was able to get into Goodwill. A lot of the stores around me are starting to open up and I have just been aching to get into Goodwill and see what kind of goodies that I could find. So anyway, I've got two Goodwills that are near me. I've got one that's like north of me. It's maybe a 10-minute drive over there, so it's pretty convenient. And then there's another one maybe about 20 minutes away. But I noticed it's really neat, and let me know in the comment section down below if any of you have, like, the two Goodwills that are like near me are conveniently placed like right next to Dollar Tree. Like the one that's like 10 minutes away from me is like maybe 4 doors down from Dollar Tree, but the one that's 20 minutes away from me is like side by side. So it's actually pretty convenient. So I can go into one door and then as soon as I'm done, I can go into the other one. So I don't know if there was like some kind of thing going on with that, or I don't know. Anyway, I'm kind of rambling now, but anyway, so I was able to get into Goodwill and I found some pretty good finds that I'm pretty excited to share with you. I'm going to start with this first piece here. I found this basket and I got it for $1.99. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, this is like $1.99 and it's really cute. It's like, it looks like it's wood, but it's like stitched here with these little, I don't know, can you see this? It's got like these little stitchings right here. And I don't know, I just thought this was like really, really cute. Like it's like, I don't know, it kind of like sounds like it's plastic, but it's not. Like I think it's actually wood, or maybe it's just like some kind of different type of wood. I'm not really sure. Let me scoot back so you can see this a little bit better. But anyway, I just thought this was like a really cute find, especially for $1.99. Figure I could like paint this, you know, maybe make it into a planner because it's kind of small, so there's not like a whole lot you can fit inside this. But I think, like, you know, maybe you can paint it, or I could throw some, you know, Dollar Tree flowers in here or something you can like put your remotes in. I'm not really sure yet, but look out for these videos that are coming up pretty soon. So there's that one. The next thing I found was this really pretty, it's upside down, this really pretty picture frame. And this was also $1.99, and I love the details on this with the flowers and the trim around the frame. I just thought this was so super pretty. And this is not wood either. This is plastic, but I really thought this is like really pretty, kind of old, vintagey, you know, and it's got like the back so you can stand it up and everything. So I had a couple ideas that I wanted to do with this. I kind of thought about like painting the whole thing white and maybe like doing the flowers or something like in black, or maybe the same thing in reverse. I'm not really sure what I want to do with this, but leave me a comment down below and tell me what you would do with this. And then I wasn't actually going to put like a family picture in here. I was actually thinking of doing like a silhouette, since, like, you know, in the farmhouse decor, I actually thought about doing like a silhouette of like a chicken or something in here. I thought that would be kind of cute. So that'll be coming out really soon. And the next thing I have here, and I was so super excited to find this next thing because was it Kristen Kay? She had done this a while back where she found like this recipe box. It is a recipe box that you couldn't, you know, you put your recipe cards in, and it's got these little fruit painted on it, and it's just this wood piece. And then I think I picked it up for $1.99, so this was an awesome find. Kristen Kay had done this on her channel one time, and hers turned out so super cute. I loved it so much. So when I saw this over at Goodwill, I had to have it. I had to grab this one. So I'm going to try to change mine up so it's not exactly like hers, but there's a pretty good chance I might put flowers in this too, because I really loved her idea, and I love all her ideas. She's pretty awesome. So I have that. And then, so that was all at one Goodwill, and then I had to go to another Goodwill. I went to both of them. And I ended up finding this candle stand I thought was really pretty. This was $2.99 at Goodwill. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway, it does have these details on it, which I thought were so pretty. And it's got a pretty wide base, or well, like where you could put like a candle on it, you know, it's pretty wide. And anyway, I just thought that I could, you know, repurpose this. I thought this was really, really pretty. Not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but yeah, we'll see. And the last thing, this is like a really short video, so I was just really excited about showing you all this. I got my receipt in here. This one I love a lot. This is like super pretty because it's got like the yellow roses. Roses are my favorite flower, and then yellow roses. And I had to grab this because, you know, since I live in Texas, you know, the yellow rose of Texas, that's kind of like what drew me to this. But this is metal. You can see inside it's metal. It's got these little handles, and it's like kind of already distressed, if you can kind of see that already. It's got this really gorgeous painting, and it does really look so pretty that I don't think I want to paint this over. I'm not really sure. And I remember we were in the store and I asked my daughter what she would do with this, and because she loves to paint and she loves to do like crafts and stuff like that, and she's like, well, I like old things, so I would just keep it the way it is. And so I'm having a hard time deciding on what I'm going to do with this one, but we will see. I know as DIYers, you know, we like to just change things up, and I don't know what to do with this yet, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, so that is it for today's haul. I know it was a very small haul. It is my first one, so we have more to come. I got paint underneath my nail. That is awesome. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and consider hitting subscribe. And I also have another video that is coming out to you very, very soon, so look out for that one. And some future trash to treasure haul, or treasure hauls. Trash to treasure videos. All right, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.